Hello, I'm Christopher Lloyd and I'm the author of Funny Factopia. Follow the trail of 100 amazing facts. It's a World Book Day book for 2026. Now, reading, I have to confess, sometimes can be a bit of a challenge, especially if you're presented with a giant big book and you think to yourself, OMG, how am I going to get from the beginning of this book all the way to the end? Now, that's partly why I like nonfiction, because with nonfiction, you don't always have to read from the beginning to the end. The whole idea is that you read about whatever it is that interests you most. So books like this one here, which is a Britannica children's encyclopedia, are perfect for people who are interested in facts and figures and amazing things and don't want to have to read all the way from the beginning to the end of the book. Or even this magazine, which I love to read, which you can read from the back to the front with jokes and puzzles and games, all sorts of amazing ways of processing and enjoying the written word.